Hello, sir. Now I am demonstrating you that how you use this application. Please see carefully the demonstration. Thank you. Now see, now here I am opening the actual database file. Now look, see there is no data is exist. Okay. Now I am running the executable file. Make sure that you are using prototype version 1.2. Okay. Now this is I have changed few things here, so you need to make sure that. Now that's the Excel file that you have sent me. Now you have all this data. Okay. Now for importing this, the data format must be like this one. Now I am importing the data here. Now I choose the Excel file that you have sent me, this one. There is the Excel file I am opening you for demonstration. Now the format must be same. All Excel file format must be same for importing this data, because there is no static thing, because there is a fully static thing. Your mean A column mean warehouse, B location, C quantity, product, E category. You have to make this format clear. Okay. The Excel file format must be same one. If you change the format, the program will not work. Now in this sheet is AAI sheet has the data. Now this sheet has the data. Okay. Now I am importing here. Now look, see, I have to select sheet numbers. This one here has data. Now look, see, start row is 0. It search the data from 0. You don't need to know all this 1 or 0. You can make it this 0. Okay, if end row is 0, end 0 is equal to end of Excel file. I mean, it search all the Excel file. Whether this data exists or not, that is not important. It will search, program will search all the Excel file, all the Excel row, and it may causes of very large resources, and it may take several time to complete. Now look, see, the end row is 0, and it will check all Excel file data and may take several minutes. Are you want to continue this? For continue, no. In this, if I choose no, it will check all the Excel files, and that is not required. It may cause up take several time and several resources and several process. Okay, so don't do this. Now here I am seeing that in the data file 21 row has the data. Okay. Now if we enter the 21 and OK, it will import the data from the Excel file up to 21 rows, and this you are seeing that this is work much faster. Okay. Now 20 rows imported from Excel file. You are seeing this, right? You can check this. You can check this that all the data are not even. Now this button will save the data to databases. Look, 20 data saved to databases. If you can check the WAV file, access file. Look, here the data are all data are imported. Okay. Now search utility option. Look here, print to Excel is disabled now. Search utility option. Now I am adding product for searching. Now here I am going to add for search product agenda and quantities. Now I am clicking add. Look, now I am going to search boom, and quantity is somehow 46, and clicking on this add. Now I have clicked search it. These data are retrieved from databases. Now look, and print option enabled now, because there is some data for printing. Now if you can uncheck this, look, only agenda will show. If you do nothing, look, it will see invalid search sequence, because there is nothing to search. Now print option is also disabled now. If you check those both, then it will search again. Now if I am going to click to the print to Excel, now look, see what happened. Look, it already sheet is appeared with the data. Okay. Now you can print this whatever you want. Okay, I made this in Excel. I think this will be help you lot. Thank you. So here is the demonstration that I have made for you. I have several searching option for you that will be help you to search for betterment. But you have to first check all this that it is properly working or not. Thank you.